All right, so to generate income online, to start making money online, you need three things. One, you need a product or a service, you need traffic or you need customers, and you need a way to get paid, right? And that is exactly what I want to talk about in this video, because heading into the year 2022, we need to start thinking of ways to, start creating multiple streams of income. And that's one thing I've been dedicated to doing over the last 1 year, been creating multiple streams of income online. And I want to share that with you, what I'm doing and the things that I am doing actively on a day-to-day basis that helping me contributing to that goal of creating multiple streams of income. So if you haven't seen me before, my name is Daniel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a digital nomad. I travel all around the world and I make videos about them on my main channel, which I will link down below. This channel right here is just to help you create multiple streams of income, help you be financially free. And if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe down below. So let's get right into it. So about a year ago, when I was looking to quit my then 9-to-9 sales job, I was looking for ways to start earning some income online. And I was just trying to try everything. I was trying drop shipping, I was trying affiliate marketing, trying pretty much anything that you may have heard about, print on demand, Amazon, KDP, whatever you can imagine. I tried everything all. And one thing just kept coming back to me that everyone keeps talking about that I never really paid attention to. Why don't you sell other people's products? One, you don't have to create a product, you don't have to market, you don't have to do fulfillment or customer service on these types of product. And when I started thinking about this, when I started watching videos, trying to learn, trying to educate myself on this concept, it just seemed like what made perfect sense, right? Because people were doing it online, they were making tons of money. And there I was just struggling to get by and hating my life because I had to go to this job that I hate so much and I have to work 12 hours a day. So I was thinking, how do I get started? How do I tap into this huge market of affiliate marketing where I don't have to have a website, I don't have to create a product, I don't have to do literally anything. All I have to do is find customers who are already interested in the product and market this product to them. And that's exactly what I did. So at the time I was already thinking about, starting a YouTube channel because I've always wanted to do that, right? And then as I was trying to find my way on YouTube, I stumbled upon Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. So that's what I started talking about on my main YouTube channel. And my channel grew pretty fast. People were subscribing every single day. I was getting subscribers like crazy every day, right? And when I started talking about the softwares I was using to do my Facebook Marketplace dropshipping, to make money with my dropshipping, people started asking me. Even then I had about 300 subscribers, maybe about 200 subscribers on the channel at the time. They started asking me, how do you use the softwares? Tell me more about it. How do you find products with the softwares? So I was thinking, if I talk about this software, that's free marketing for these companies, right? What if I reach out to them, get a coupon code, and when people want to use the software, I just send them my link and they can buy with that software. And that's exactly what happened. So I reached out to the makers of the software, I got a coupon code from them, and I sent my coupon code to my viewers on my YouTube channel. And if they would click on the link, I would get a commission from just talking about the product when they click on it and when they make a purchase for that software. And that was when the light bulb went off my head. You know what? If I could do this by just talking passively about something, what if I did it actively? What if I actively, promoted this product to people, right? And in that 1 month, in that first month of just talking about the product, of just promoting it, I made over $1,000 from just two softwares, just talking about them inside of my YouTube channel. So I was thinking to myself, okay, this is crazy. If I can make this much just not actively talking about this product, what could happen if I went all in, if I just put all of my eggs in one basket and just went for it, right? And that's exactly what I did. So with affiliate marketing on my YouTube channel, that's pretty much the biggest stream of income for me at the time when I quit my job, because I was making enough now with my YouTube channel, my affiliate income, to be able to pay my rent and do some of the other things I was able to do. I was taking, little trips here and there, but I wasn't really where I wanted to be, right? And that's exactly what I want to share with you today. So if you're in a stage where you're thinking about how to make some extra income online, how to start generating multiple streams of income, maybe you want to quit your job, whatever it is your goal is, I want to just encourage you a little bit just to look into affiliate marketing, because that's what really, I would say literally changed my life, set me on the trajectory that I'm on right now. And one of the benefits of doing affiliate marketing is you don't have to sell, you don't have to make any products, you don't have to do fulfillment or do customer service. And I want to show you something a little bit here, because this is one of the products that I was promoting at the time. And this is my income for just 30 days, right? Just 1 month of talking about this product. And half of what you're seeing on the screen right here, over $1,000, was done in just 1 day. So I slept at night and I woke up the next morning and I saw that I'd made a sale of over $500. And that was really crazy to me because that was at the very beginning of the affiliate marketing journey, right? And now affiliate marketing is just, you know, 3 income streams I have. I have a YouTube channel that makes me money. I have this affiliate income stream that I, do. And I also, offer a service to clients as well where I help them run ads on Facebook and I help them generate clients. So when I say that you need to create multiple streams of income, I'm not just saying it, I'm also, living it. I'm also doing it myself. And if you're looking to get started, if you're a complete beginner, maybe you have no idea whatsoever how to get started online, I would say affiliate marketing is the easiest way to get started. And I have a link down in my description if you want to click on that link. It's a free training. Just sign up. If you like what you see, you can sign up, or leave a comment down below if you want to learn more about it. So as a beginner, I would say go all in on affiliate marketing because it is just super easy. It is the most passive way that you can generate money online with. So I hope this video helps you, and if it does, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video. Whoosh.